stretch time, we stretch life, we stretch time, we stretch life.
Tonight I am in Slupsk with the Queen of Winter, my cousin Magda.
Hi.
We are exploring Slupsk at night. It's bloody cold and windy, but you can hear my favorite Polish bird, Spaki. Because we don't have Spaki in Australia. I have to do the translation.
Might
We have
be cookie as well.
no, not cookie. No, Spaki. Maybe there's a couple cookie there, but. In Australia we have the very noisy parrots. This is much better. Oh, it's cold. Where are we going, Magda? Where are we going?
At the riverside.
Up to the riverside.
It's called
Yeah.
Slupia.
Słupia? Okay, let's go check out the Polish Słupia River.
We stretch life, we stretch time, we stretch.
This is the high school of Adam Mickiewicz. And Adam Mickiewicz był poetą. Adam Mickiewicz is a very famous poet.
We stretch life.
They've made all these nice wooden bridges everywhere to connect everything together. Magda tells me before you had to walk bridge to bridge. Now it's nice. It's really nice. I have to come here during the daytime.
Ale mnie grzeje teraz.
No, śpiewaj, Magda. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What? Only in Slupsk.
Okay.
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. We drive, we drink. Come on, Mr. Drifter.
Yeah.
So we've drank the bottle of vodka and we've decided we're a little bit hungry, but we're very far from the city, so we're gonna go to the chickens to take their eggs. But Marcin is scared of the chickens at night. He says they attack him. So I decided to be brave.
Boję się.
So he's gonna record me while I take the eggs from the chickens. I'm gonna put on the gloves. I'm gonna put on the face mask. Wish me luck, avenge my death. We're okay, Magda, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Okulary. Ja mam okulary. She says protective eyewear. I've got protective eyewear. Let's go. I come in peace. O, rooster.
O, jest.
Gdzie jest na kurczak, na jajka?
Tak, jedna jajka są tam, dwa. Czekaj, już ci daję. Pojemniki.
Aha,
Pojemniki.
okay. Hello chickens, I come in peace. Pokój na ziemi.
Dwa jajeczka tu.
Got two eggs.
A tu są schowane tam dalej, pod tym.
Aha.
Tam, zobacz.
O, no. Wow.
A, kogucik, czekaj, zrobię kogucikowi zdjęcie, poczekaj.
No.
Zbliżenie do niego zrobię.
Oh, hello.
Egg,
Hello, Master Rooster.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Ladies. Ladies. Nagraj ile jajek tu jest. Wow. That's a lot of eggs. Ile potrzebujemy? Wszystkie. Baker's dozen, 13 eggs.
No.
Czekaj.
Jeszcze kogucika tutaj pozwolę.
Pogłaskam go.
Dobra, zobacz, no.
Cześć kokoćka. Cześć. Cześć kogut. Ale ma jaki potężny. He's big.
Aha.
Naprawdę, on jest duży.
No.
Ladies.
Pilnują go. Zajebiste.
I was okay. 13 eggs. 13 jajek.
Idziemy po jajka.
Baker's
Brakuje
dozen.
ci. Sklepik jest, że...
Well, ślisko. We can make pancakes now. Thanks for helping us get the eggs.
Co?
Oh, słyszysz ku... Did you hear the rooster just went off? Słyszałeś koguta?
No?
485.
No,
Well, it's my last day in Slupsk with my lovely, beautiful Winter Queen cousin. But we thought we'd come and explore Slupsk during the daytime, because nighttime we couldn't see much.
That's true.
And it's not windy, and it's not freezing
It's
like
much
yesterday.
better,
So
yeah.
much better. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's go and explore Slupsk. So I just spoke to the priest who tells me that the organs above there are the second oldest organs in Poland, those ones. And during summertime, they have concerts here that display the power of these organs, which is fantastic. The church was built in 1278, so nearly 800 years old. Wow, it's almost as old as us, Magda. And it was originally, it was originally a wooden church, and then converted into what this is now, which is magnificent ceilings. It's beautiful. And that is the Slupsk Castle, which is a modern day castle where... Kto tu mieszkał? Jacyś królowie jacyś?
Królowie, Bogusław X.
O.
Książę.
Bogusław X used to live here. Bogu! Wonder if he's around for a cup of tea. So Magda tells me that the top of the church actually fell off this year during a storm and hit the roof over there. Massive storm and winds have taken down it. And here is the guy that used to run the castle, but he wasn't a king, he was some kind of a knight or a noble. Kind of reminds me of the guy from Shrek.
A little bit, yeah.
He does, he looks like the guy from Shrek. So this is the old viaduct, and inside there was a machine that used to churn out flour from wheat. It's pretty cool, it still functions to this day. It's a museum and you can go inside. These are all museums, beautiful architecture. I absolutely love these style buildings. They remind me of Zakopane in Poland, the Bavaria regions. I just love this, but gotta keep it clean.
It's called Dolina w Kratę.
Dolina z Kraty.
Kratę, nie? I że ta elewacja jest tak robiona, właśnie mur pruski i drewniane wstawki. To jest oczywiście odnowione,
No.
ale tak to było.
Yeah, this is renewed, and this is like a concrete and timber,
Timber, taki wiesz.
proper timber, proper good Polish wood. I just tried to fly the drone, but there's a prison around the corner. It wouldn't take off. Bastards! Why would you put a prison? It's in the middle of the city,
Of the old town.
in the old town. So silly. Anyway, we're gonna go and get a cup of tea in the tea place. Very famous place in Slupsk. It's called Herbaciarnia, which means tea place. eat it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
It's really good and fruity and sweet.
Boiled fruit.
Ta wiedźma to ja.
Wow.
W poprzednim życiu.
From one witch to the next.
From the previous life.
Zrób taki. Wczoraj pana widzieliśmy. Dziękuję, pozdrawiam. Idź tam i biegnij na mnie. You're a child. This is the Slupsk City Hall, or in Polish, Ratusz. I'm gonna try to get the drone up and see what it looks like from above. Let's go. And we've now reached the other side of the church. We've gone all the way around. Thank you, Magda, for showing me around.
You're welcome.
Now I gotta go back on the train, back to Warsaw. Apparently there's snow there, hopefully still left. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you on the next vlog.